Hello viewers. So today I am going to share with you the food that I cooked today, and it is a Pakistani dish and it called Hyderabadi Baingan. I am not sure if I pronounce it correctly, but please watch until the end and I'll show you how I made it. Thank you. First step, don't forget to wash the baingan, then cut it into 4 parts, just like that. Alright, no need to remove the holder or that green on the top, so it will hold and keep the baingan intact. So check also if it's already damaged or spoiled or there is worm inside. Next step, preheat the pan, then fry all the dried ingredients or seeds. Alright, and here I am just using those available ingredients here at home, and those ingredients I will be providing it on the description below, so you can just check it in there. So here, let us fry it until it will get brown in color or golden in color, right? Just like that. Let us wait until it will become brown. Then transfer it into a jar. Okay, the jar that we are going to use to grind it. We will be grinding all these dry seeds, okay, and make it powderized. And just make sure that it will be nicely powderized. So here it's ready. Let us heat the pan again with the oil, and we will be sauteing the tomato and onion. Here we don't need to fry it well done, just half cook, because we are going to grind it. And then transfer it into a jar or the grinding jar, and then here. Alright, after that we will be placing the paste that we made inside of the baingan. Make it sure that you place it or put it nicely inside, and don't worry, the paste will not come out, because it will be stick inside. So here it's ready. So let us start frying it. In here I did it 2 times because I'm using a small pan. So one batch is done, ready. Remove it and let us start for the next batch. Here. So I'm covering it while frying it to avoid splitting oil on the wall. I noticed that there's a lot of oil, so I am removing some of the oil and just leave what I need. So let us start sauteing the garlic paste, and then the paste that we made. Alright, just like that, and then mix it thoroughly and add all the remaining ingredients. It is now done, so let us cover it and cook it in a low fire, not too low, okay? And then check it after 15 minutes and it will look like this. Mix it again slowly, and then just like that. Alright, and let us add 1 glass of water. Okay, and cook it for at least 3 minutes or let it boil for 3 minutes, and then add all the baingan or the eggplant. Okay, just like that, and just leave it and cover it again for 20 minutes in a very low fire. So here it will look like that, and it seems now cooked. Then add green chili. Actually, I used green chili here because I don't have a red chili available. Then add tamarind paste or sampalok or imli in Urdu to add up taste, and it will taste like sweet, sour, and a bit of spicy. It is really tasty. So here it's ready. Cover it again and then cook it for at least 5 minutes more and check, and it will look like that. So ready for eating, but please don't mix it too much, and be careful in mixing it so to avoid destroying or spoiling the baingan or the shape of the baingan. So here it's ready. Let's eat. Thank you for watching again, guys, and I hope that you like this video and you try this recipe as well. And I can assure you that you will really enjoy it. You can eat it with naan, chapati, or rice as well. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Also, click the like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for the next video in the future. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!